Hello trader, this is Paras. Welcome back to my channel. This is Australian US dollar, AUD USD. These are the support and resistance levels which I draw. You can trade this level breakout and this level breakdown. You can select the target level this and that levels, draw downside. This is the first target, this is second target. You can sell this level and you can buy this level target as well. First level is this. You can trade your own risk reward ratio. This is a Great Britain pound versus US dollar 15-minute time frame. You can trade and buy this level and target. First target is this and second target is this. You can manage your risk reward ratio and trade. This is a Euro USD dollar 15-minute time frame. You can check this is a resistance level and this is a support level. This level breakout you can buy and your first target is this, second target is this. You can sell this level breakdown and first target is this. You can manage your risk reward ratio and trade this stocks. You can see this is Great Britain, Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, 15-minute time frame. You can see this is breakout this level and first target is this. This is US dollar versus Canadian dollar 15-minute time frame. You can trade this level breakout. Your first target is this and second target is this. You can sell this level also. Your first target is this and again sell this level and you select the target level this. This is a Euro Australian dollar 15-minute time frame. You can buy this level breakout and target is this and sell breakdown this level. You can achieve first target is this and second target is this. You can click the screenshot and draw the particular level of this target. You can trade your own risk reward ratio. Hope you achieve the profit and trade well. Thank you so much.